Hi guys, alam niyo ba sinasabi sa Bible na kapag ikaw naniniwala kay Lord, never ka magugutom? Sabi sa Psalm 37 verse 25, I have been young and now I'm old, yet I have never seen the righteous forsaken or his children begging for bread. This is David encouraging his people during this time. Sinasabi niya, simula nung bata ako hanggang tumanda ako, never akong ginutom ni Lord at ganun din ang gagawin ni Lord sa inyo. So for us today, maybe ang dami mong utang o maybe meron kang mga challenges sa finances mo, wala kang savings. Know this, if you believe in God and if you put your faith in Christ, that made you righteous before the Lord. And because of that, this promise is applicable to you. Tandaan mo lang na even if ang dami mong pinagdadaanan ngayon, even if feeling mo walang-wala ka ngayon, hindi pa tapos na si Lord. Share this video and follow Chronicles of Nono for more 1 minute